Hello guys, and welcome to this very short video. If you are using Windows 11, you have noticed that we have new right-click context menu, and it can be annoying because you always need to select that More Options menu to get your favorite right-click shortcuts. I will show you how you can restore your Windows 10 classic right-click menu and your right-click actions. We will need to edit some registry key, so open your Windows Registry editor. Go to your current user registry, then Software, then Classes, then CLSID. There you need to create two new keys, and names of those keys are located in the description of this video, so you don't need to type them. Create the first key in CLSID and then the second one in the newly created key, like in this video. Be sure that the value of the second key stays empty. Now you can close the registry editor and restart your Windows Explorer. Now you are done and you have your old right-click menu like in Windows 10. That's all for this short video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time. Bye.